How to apply for food stamps in Michigan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps in Michigan, ensuring you can access the support that you need. To apply, visit the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services website and create an account on the MI Bridges portal. Complete the online application with your household and income details. You can also apply in person at a local MDHHS office. After submitting, an interview may be required. Now that you know how to apply for food stamps in Michigan, you are ready to begin the application process.